Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about device mode on Wix.com. Guys, if you are working on a website and you want to see its responsiveness on any type of device, then you must have to change the device mode. Then you can get the idea how it will look like on other devices apart desktop. So guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my website, and now I want to see its look with other device mode. So let's change the device mode of the screen. And as you can see, this is the device mode, and here it's set on desktop, and now I am going to change it on mobile. So guys, as you can see, this is the mobile mode. It will look like this when you see it on other devices like mobile or tab. So guys, this is how to change device mode on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.